The best way to think about liability insurance is it's the defensive part of a financial plan. It protects your assets and your income, both current and future, from legal liability for damage you may cause somebody else's property or injury you may cause somebody else. It protects your family members and household members as well. It's part of what it does. So there are certain things that can increase your exposure to legal liability. One of them is a class called attractive nuisance, so things like a pool or a pond or a trampoline on your property. Another example of things that would increase your exposure would be young drivers, inexperienced drivers in your household. There's really a ton of these, really too many to just go through a whole list, but there's some statistics that are worth thinking about. So for instance, there's about $150 million a year in personal injury lawsuits. There's 25 million injuries that happen every year in-house that require medical consultation or treatment. And 13% of all personal injury claims are over $1 million. And the thing is, your limits for liability, what you should carry in insurance, is going to vary. It's going to depend on your circumstances and your tolerance for risk. But the cost to increase legal liability limits is fairly small. So for instance, to go from $300,000 to $500,000 liability limit on your homeowner policy is maybe $10 or $15 a year. To get a $1 million umbrella policy is $150 to $300 a year. That's it. So we can help you find a way to manage risk. We're an independent insurance agency. We represent a lot of companies. We can find you the best solution to manage risk for your situation and do it affordably.